Here we go guys! My adobong isda is now ready to serve and enjoy. Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to my Filipino cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook adobong isda, a Filipino fish stew, also known as fish adobo. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Guys, for our adobong isda, we picked up some really fresh mackerel this morning from our local French wet market. Hi guys, we're in Oray today. I'm just about to get some fresh fish. Let's go inside to take a look. Wow, look at this. Let's go and get some fish. Guys, if you enjoy Filipino fish recipes, check out my playlist entitled Filipino Seafood Recipes. Here are the ingredients of my adobong isda, which is known also as fish adobo. Mackerel, which is known in the Philippines as Galunggong. Chili pepper, garlic, ginger, onion, tomato, fish sauce, water, dark soy sauce, vinegar, vegetable oil, and ground black pepper. But before we start cooking, let's prepare the fish. Guys, before we start cooking our adobong isda, let's score the fish. Okay, just twice. And repeat the process to the other side. That's it. And then rub with the salt. Okay, season with salt. And then you rub the salt inside the slit, guys, okay? This helps infuse the flavor. There you are. And guys, I'd like to keep the head on for my fish adobo, but since the tail, you cannot eat it, so I'd like to just remove the tail so that it will fit in the pan. There you go. Our fish is ready for our fish adobo. Now the pan is heated, let's start cooking my adobong isda. In a preheated pan, pour the vegetable oil. Okay guys. Once the oil is hot, just add the garlic and saute. Sauteing will enhance the natural flavor of your ingredients. Once the garlic turns golden brown, we can now add the ginger. See guys? Give it a stir. Smells absolutely gorgeous. This ginger is very healthy for you guys. It gives you an Asian twist. And I really love the aroma of the ginger. This is going to be a very delicious adobong isda. Now we can add the onion. Keep stirring. Once the onion turns soft, just add the tomato. Give it a stir. Smells absolutely gorgeous. Once the tomato turns soft, add the chili pepper. Give it a stir, mix it up. And now, time to add the fish. To our fish adobo. There you go. And now we can add the fish sauce, vinegar, dark soy sauce, and ground black pepper. Give it a stir. You have to stir it gently, guys, okay? Fish is quite delicate. Cover and simmer on a low heat. After 5 minutes, let's give my adobong isda a stir. Wow, that looks fantastic. Would you agree, guys? You have to stir it gently, guys, because the fish is very delicate. Cover and simmer on a low heat. After 10 minutes, my adobong isda is now ready to serve and enjoy. Let's take a look. Serve my adobong isda with rice and enjoy. Here we go, guys. My adobong isda is now ready to serve and enjoy. Now let's taste it. It is absolutely delicious. You have to try this, guys. I hope you enjoy my adobong isda recipe today. And if you like it, then like it. And if you love it, please subscribe. More recipe to follow from my Filipino cooking channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon. God bless. Stay tuned, guys, because I release new Filipino recipes every week from my Filipino cooking channel in English.